and welcome everyone. My name is Kate, I'm a cosmetologist, and welcome on Natural Skincare by Kate. Today we'll be doing unboxing of 3 European beauty boxes. The beauty box from Look Fantastic, and then we'll do Aloha from GLOSSY box, and also GOODIE. That was almost fast unpacking. GOODIE box. This is, I think, Nordic brand, the Swedish brand, and it's quite heavy, I have to say, so I'm very interested what is going to be there. Maybe we should start with it. And today makeup you might actually find on my Instagram, Natural Skincare by Kate. I did some smoky eye with new palette from Jeffree Star Cosmetics, the Cremate palette. This is the newest baby of Jeffree. It's my first product of his, and I can just tell you that the palette looks amazing. Basically, perfect combination of all shades in grey and beige. I also have my own opinion on this. I already did 2 makeups. I'm going to do 10 makeups with this palette and then create a video about those 10 makeups and also review this palette. And now let's move to the boxes. First will be GOODIE box. So this is how the box looks like inside. We have a lot of large, full-size products. La Vichiare Ocean Mist Hairspray with vitamin E and natural sea salt. Because it has natural sea salt, I believe that it will be for curly hair, to create waves, to basically give this additional dimension to your hair. I don't have such a thing, and I have actually curly hair, and that's why I'm braiding them, because it's the easiest to keep them alive. It doesn't smell with fruit. The smell is more like coriander or something, sandal-ish. Let's put it here. Good. And let's move on to the next. And here we have, oh, balmy cleanser. So we have cleanser balm, and this is from Bio Branding Feel Free. Ingredients are really interesting. We don't have water here. We have a lot of fruit extracts, oils. We have glycerin as a third ingredient, so we have some humectants. Yeah, interesting. Okay, and then we have Now by Natural and Organic Orange Juice Hand Cream. 3 ingredients. We have aloe vera as a second ingredient. We have some fruit oil. We have glycerin. A lot of natural ingredients. It's a Spanish brand, and to be honest, I don't actually use many hand creams. The good information is that I will put it to my giveaway box, because I'm gathering a small giveaway, and for 5,000 followers I will do the giveaway. So make sure you are helping me to reach that goal so I can make giveaway faster, and this cream will be there. And then we have a very big bottle, Natural After Sun product. Okay, so it's a balm, and we have 98 ingredients of natural origin, recycled and recyclable packaging. Okay, but this is the one that smells so nice. It's a combination of, like, I don't know, like lotus and vanilla or something. It smells lovely. I live in Sweden, and here we have like 17 degrees now in July. It sucks, and it was raining just like 15 minutes ago when I was finishing this makeup, so I hope I can get much more sun, because I want to use this, or I will use it anyway. After those 4 products, we have a Pace lip gloss in like Paris beige. It's called, I'm calling it Paris beige, but this is like dirty pink with a little bit of gloss in it. I also have those shades in my lipstick and lip gloss portfolio, so I will also put it to the giveaway box. Why not? And then, because we have something for our face, hair, body, feet. No, it was a hand cream, sorry. The orange cream that is going to give away for this is a hand cream. And here we have heel mask for feet, and I think for heel mainly. So it's kind of like a sock with a hole for toes. That's cool. I would say that it will be hard to beat this one. And then we'll go to Aloha! And this is a glossy box edition, really beautiful package. We have a fruit enzyme, pineapple and glow mask. I don't know if you know, but papaya and pineapple, those are two fruit that have amazing enzymes that are used in enzymatic peelings. This is a bromelain and papain. And in this mask we have a papain, vitamin C, with pineapple extract, which is a bromelain. And next in the box we have Apollo Softening Food Balm. This is Swedish brand actually, and I have a night face cream from them and I'm really satisfied with that. And again, I'm not actually using foot balms that often. It's the same with my hands, but this is why I'll also put it for the giveaway that I'm planning to do. So we have something for feet, we have something for hands. Really good. And lipstick. And then we have something interesting. We have Aloha Bronzer with magnesium stearate and silica. It looks like this. Cute black box, really shimmery. It is bronzer, but I think it's perfect only for summer because it is kind of giving this peach look, and also it has some sparkles in it. And I don't know if you can see, but it has a really delicate glimmer. Shimmer. So that was the Aloha Bronzer. Ooh, and then we have Love, Beauty and Planet. I love this brand. I had a coconut gel, like shower gel from them. And this is deodorant, a vegan deodorant with water and niacinamide, glycerin, a lot of good oils. I'm already in love, and I think all women love cocos, so this will be amazing deodorant. It smells really nice, soft, a little bit cocos, a little bit lotus, like sweet, some sweet scents. Yeah, it's really beautiful. I'm very happy for that one. And apart from that, we have Glow Drops, vegan friendly, cruelty free, rose pearl drops, and this is from Jekka Black, if I pronounce it correctly. I will definitely use it and try it in one of my videos. Okay, and we will go to the last box, last but not least, the Beauty Look Fantastic. And also something here smells beautifully. Okay, we have some pills. We have Hair and Skin and Nails, My Vitamins, 30 capsules. Okay, great dose of the vitamins. Basically, majority of them covers 100 or even 300% of the recommended daily dose. Maintain normal hair and skin and nails. There is a lot of selenium, zinc, biotin. I'm taking actually biotin like last 2 months right now, but I bought series for a whole year. It's really cool. And then we have rose and lemon enriched body cream, and I think this is what smells so nicely here. Oh yeah, oh my god.
Oh, it's like, it smells like some spa, you know, if I would be in some spa.
And just having some lovely body treatment.
With some lemongrass and some flowers.
The smell is lovely. Marine, collagen and vitamins, all skin types, mono spa. I can feel that. It's some spa product. And then we have Deep Moisture Regenerating Night Cream, all skin types, overnight renewal for radiant complexion. Madara Organic Skincare. It's not a big package, it's 25 milliliters, so I would say it's not too small, it's not too big. It's with vitamin C and E. There is a long list of quite many natural ingredients. Okay, 100% of total ingredients are coming from natural origin and 22 from organic farming. Wow! There was also a dermatology study with 30 volunteers. They see 100% reported firming, looking smoother, visibly brightened skin. Oh my god, I have to try it from tomorrow. And then we have, oh, it's a brush. And this is the brush. It also has those small holes for your fingertips to grab it perfectly. It's super smooth. I really like it. Yeah, I will keep it. I will keep it. Sorry, it will just go to my collection. Okay, that's very interesting. And then we have Moisturizing Expert Hyaluronic Serum from This Works. It's 2% hyaluronic acid in it. It's kind of like sample size, 10 milliliters. Okay, and then we have Sleek. I think all know this brand. If not, this is a brand that you can find in H&M. They have quite good shadows. I have few palettes from them, and also I have a blush palette. And again, I have so many like glossy lipsticks in this shade. It's so similar to the previous one. And I would see, it's so similar, and I'll put both of them on the giveaway.
Yes.
What do you think? Which was the best? Was it Look Fantastic, the one with peels and the brush, or was it Glossy Box, or was it the Goodie box with like those large products and sea salt spray? This I'm thinking about a lot now because I don't have such a thing, so that's really good. I'm so excited about this July edition. Great job all the 3 companies. Please leave me comments. Did you like the video, and which boxes do you think the best? I hope you will follow me on Instagram, and I hope you will subscribe to my channel to stay with me and to dig into natural, organic solutions for skin and our body and hair. I wanted also to thank you all 800 people who are with me. It's amazing. I'm on YouTube and Instagram for 7 months now. Yeah, I started in New Year. So it's 7 months, and I have 800 followers on YouTube and 4,000 followers on Instagram, which I'm very grateful for, and I'm sending you all big hacks, kind of online hacks. I just want to say thank you. It really means a lot to me, and hope you will stay and enjoy my channel for a bit longer. Thank you, and bye.